Hey learners, this is Waqas here and welcome you all on my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you about polymorphism, that what is polymorphism and how many types of polymorphism are there. So the word polymorphism, as you can see, this is a Greek word and poly means many and morphism means shapes. So what is meant by that polymorphism in a programming? So in programming, if a code has different functionality at different places of your program or in the file, so it means that that program has a polymorphic behavior. So there are basically two type of polymorphism. One is static polymorphism and we can call it compile time polymorphism, or you can say it early binding compile time polymorphism, or you can say that this is an early binding. These all words are related to static polymorphism, and the other one is dynamic polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism, and it is also known as runtime polymorphism, and you can call it late binding also, late binding. And here you can say early binding. Now what is meant by this static polymorphism? So if there so I will tell you in this video about function overloading. So here you can see that I am making a function of name add, and there are two variables of int type. First is a and second one is b, and b is also of int type, and the return type of this function is also int. So I am returning here a plus b. Okay, so let me call this function here in main. So val result int equals to, and I am calling here add method 2 and I am passing here 3. So which method will be called here? This one which I made at line number 2. But when I call here val and result float or result double, and write here add, and I write here 2.5 and then 3.5. So you can see that this code is giving me error that here you have written over here integer type parameters, and here you are passing the double type variables data of double type, and I have to make an other method of same name with different type of parameters. So here you can see I am writing here double, and here double, and here also I am writing here double. So as you can see here, the name of the function is same, but the parameters, data type of parameters is changed. So there must be different data type of functions if they have same name, or they should have different number of parameters. Like you say result more data, and here I call add function for 2, 5 and 7. So you can see it will call no method because there is no any function here who will accept the 3 values. So here I have to make here add function, and which will accept the 3 arguments. So here you can see I will return a plus b plus c. Now this code is error free code. If the function has same name but it has different you can say data type, same name of function, different data type parameter, it means that is overloaded function. And if that function has different number of parameters but the name is same and data type is also same, it means that this is also known as function overloading. And this function overloading is a compile time polymorphism, and we call it static polymorphism. Why we call it compile time? When we run the code at the compile time, if that function is not present, it will give you an error. Now let's talk about the dynamic polymorphism. For dynamic polymorphism, there will be classes involved, and a concept of you can say method overriding will be involved. So let me remove this code and explain you that what is dynamic polymorphism. Like you can say that there is a class of name shape, and which has a function of name draw, and let me print line here, and drawing shape, and here let me create some child classes. So child is a circle and parent is a shape, and let me override, which override override the method, this draw method. Override means there is a function present in the parent class and you are modifying its functionality in the child class. So let's print here that drawing a circle, and there is the third class whose name is you can say square, and we can write here drawing a square. Okay, so now let's you can see here that this draw method is working differently at different places, means in different child classes its behavior is changed. So we will call this as method overriding, concept of method overriding. Overriding means the prototype of the function will be remain same. Here you can see function draw has same name, same number of parameters, and the body of that functions is changed at different places. So this concept is called function overriding. And you can say that here if I make an object of shape, and here that shape is of circle type, and when I create here second shape, and that shape has a shape of square, and if we call here shape 1 dot draw, and we call here shape 2 dot draw, so you will see the different functionality of this draw method. So let's run it. So this concept is known as basically dynamic programming, dynamic polymorphism. Okay, so I hope so you guys have got the idea of polymorphism in Kotlin. Now you can do static polymorphism and runtime polymorphism in both you can say these both types of polymorphism is now easy for you to write in Kotlin. So stay tuned with my channel. We will cover amazing topics in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe this video if you are new to my channel, and also press bell icon. So I need you to give me an example of polymorphism in the comment section, that you think about a class whose function has a different functionality in its child classes. So see you in my next video. Take care.